Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another kitchen knife that I bought from the YeeLong knife factory store. So previously I have ordered one with the mystery wooden handle scale or handle, and they did send me this sunrise, or how to explain it, with a rose and green wood, and I wanted something more on a real wood color, so I got a larger knife this time. This is a 9.5 inch. Even on the side they are stating that it is 8.5. I'll show you the measurements right in the second here. So like the previous one, this also has some kind of VG10 Damascus, but I'm not sure if this is a real Damascus. Probably not. Maybe just a etching or laser engraving, just to make it aesthetically more pleasing. Even if this is just a standard VG10 blade, then it's decent enough for the money. Okay, so here is the size. So we have a 9-inch blade, 9.5 inch overall, with also the unsharpened part here, and the size with the handle is almost 15 inches, 37.5 centimeters. We have a 2mm thickness on the tang, and let me show you the sharpness. This is an excellent slicer, really nice and sharp, like you would expect from a kitchen knife, of course. The handle is made of the rosewood with probably brass spacers and a stone and stainless steel. It is nicely contoured, so this is not that sharp as you would expect with the hard lines here. I do prefer it in a pinch grip, so you have plenty amount of handle right there. Let me show you the etching as far as I can show it to you under these conditions. Can see there, I can't see any lines here, so therefore I'm not sure if this is Damascus. Probably not. Let's be on the safe side and say this is not a real Damascus blade. Price wise, we're looking at around $35, that is with shipping from China. And here's the comparison with my previously bought, and this was 8 inches. Yeah. If you want to see a standard size comparison like I'm doing with my other knives, then, but this is probably not the point. This is the Spyderco Endura. There is the Delica. Large Reptilian. Strider SMG. Okay, so this was the YeeLong knife factory. They say 8.5-inch chef kitchen high carbon VG10 Japanese 67 layer Damascus kitchen knife, but I don't think so. If you are interested in something like this, I will link you the site of the YeeLong knife factory in the description. They did deliver it fairly fast. It was around three weeks from China to Europe, so keep in mind that because of the current situation, this can be delayed quite more, maybe even more than a month, so just keep that in mind, okay? But if you are interested in something that looks like really fancy, high-end, few $100 Japanese styled Damascus knife, but don't want to pay so much money, then you definitely can go this route and you will be probably not disappointed. These are really nicely made knives for the money. Like I mentioned, $35. If they have some sales, then they will give you even a higher discount. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you're a subscriber, big thumbs up, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives and gear oriented, but also hobby stuff like Warhammer, books and unboxings of miniatures and hobby tools. So I hope to see you soon and have a nice day. Bye.